Correct. And then let's say I can't speak for other agencies, but I can speak for the FBI, because within the FBI you have different types of operations. For example, when you're looking at criminal cases, it is the agents and it's their jobs to collect evidence with the court warrants, etc., to go after the criminal and bring them into justice. To a certain degree, the same concept holds true for counterterrorism operations. There is this one division within the FBI that I consider the most important, and unfortunately it is the worst treated operations activities within the FBI, and that is counterintelligence. Counterintelligence operations within the FBI is basically you have agents and translators and analysts overseeing the activities of foreign entities in our country. Now, these foreign entities that I'm referring to may have diplomatic cover, basically to see what kind of activities they are engaged. Is it, is it within espionage-related activities, or even, theoretically supposed to be even to look into criminal activities they may be engaged in. Now, even though these agents and these divisions, the way it is set up, it says, while they are monitoring these individuals, targeting them, wiretapping them, etc., if they come across criminal activities and U.S. persons who are engaged in these, what they should be doing, and they are able to do, there is nothing that prevents them from doing it, to take it, report it, go to the Justice Department, go to the courts, and start parallel investigations, no longer under counterintelligence, criminal or espionage cases, against the U.S. entities within our country. Now, by accident, as an example, this happened with this AIPAC case, because it started with the Washington field office where I work, and it started long before I started working for the FBI, and with the translators and the analysts and the agents I spoke with, that operation started as counterintelligence. And the targets, let's say, were not even U.S. individuals. The targets were, let's say, hypothetically speaking, AIPAC and maybe Israeli embassies. It was after they came across these explosive activities, and after a certain agent in charge decided, I'm going to really tackle this, and this was even before 2000, they opened a parallel investigation, and this is when we later heard about Douglas Feit's office and Larry Franklin, etc. Now, the same thing was about to take place with Turkish counterintelligence. In most of the, or main portion of the documented, whether wiretap or paper documents, investigations, operations that I translated verbatim, not only for Washington field office, but also for Chicago field office and also for New Jersey, etc., they were obtained before 2001. And if you were to put a date on it, you're looking at 1996, end of 1996 till 2001. Now, in 1980, 98, and 1999, there were so many pieces of evidence of U.S. individuals' involvements. We're talking about people with official positions, whether they were within the State Department or Pentagon or United States Congress, that forced the Justice Department and the good agents who did the right thing, again, they did the right thing, they started a parallel investigations which targeted these individuals that we may say they were committing possibly the acts of treason.